Hello, everyone, and welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into an exciting topic that every man wants to know: 30 intriguing things that make women addicted to you. From subtle gestures to powerful traits, we'll explore what women find irresistibly attractive in a man. If you want to become the man women can't get enough of, don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell. Let's get started. Section 1. Confidence and self-assurance. There's something undeniably attractive about a man who exudes confidence and self-assurance. Knowing your worth and being comfortable in your own skin can draw women to you like a magnet. Section 2. Genuine listening skills. Women love a man who listens to them genuinely. Pay attention to what she says, and show interest in her thoughts and feelings. Active listening goes a long way in creating a deep connection. Section 3. Sense of humor. A good sense of humor can break the ice and make any situation enjoyable. Women appreciate men who can make them laugh and have a positive outlook on life. Section 4. Thoughtfulness and small gestures. Thoughtful gestures, like surprising her with her favorite flowers or remembering important dates, can leave a lasting impression and show her that you care. Section 5. Emotional intelligence. Emotional intelligence is the ability to understand and manage emotions, both yours and hers. Women are attracted to men who can empathize and communicate effectively. Section 6. Ambition and drive. Having goals and aspirations in life shows that you're ambitious and have a sense of purpose. Women admire men who are passionate about their dreams. Section 7. Authenticity and honesty. Being authentic and honest is crucial in building trust. Women value honesty and appreciate a man who stays true to himself. Section 8. Good personal hygiene. Taking care of yourself and maintaining good personal hygiene shows that you value yourself and your appearance. Section 9. Dressing sense. Dressing well and having a sense of style can leave a lasting impression. Women notice a man who puts effort into his appearance. Section 10. Confidence in your vulnerability. Being vulnerable and expressing your emotions without fear can create a deep connection with women. Section 11. Being supportive of her dreams. Supporting her aspirations and being her cheerleader can make her feel cherished and valued. Section 12. Respecting her boundaries. Respecting her boundaries and understanding her comfort zones is vital in building trust. Section 13. Being present in the moment. Being fully present and engaged when spending time with her can make her feel special and appreciated. Section 14. Acts of kindness. Simple acts of kindness, like holding the door open or offering to help, can make a significant impact. Section 15. Intellectual stimulation. Engaging in meaningful conversations and sharing intellectual interests can create a powerful connection. Section 16. Being supportive during tough times. Offering a shoulder to lean on during difficult moments shows your compassion and caring nature. Section 17. Being a good listener. Listening to her without judgment and offering support can make her feel understood and cherished. Section 18. Surprise dates and adventures. Planning surprise dates or spontaneous adventures can add excitement and thrill to your relationship. Section 19. Demonstrating independence. Having your interests and hobbies outside of the relationship can make you more intriguing and attractive. Section 20. Being patient and understanding. Being patient and understanding during challenging times can strengthen your bond. Section 21. Sharing similar values. Shared values and beliefs can create a strong foundation for a lasting relationship. Section 22. Being a good cook. Showing off your culinary skills and cooking for her can be a delightful surprise. Section 23. Demonstrating emotional support. Offering emotional support and being there when she needs someone to talk to can be deeply comforting. Section 24. Confidence in making decisions. Being decisive and confident in making decisions can be a turn-on for many women. Section 25. Demonstrating respect for women. Respecting all women and treating them with dignity can make you more attractive. Section 26. Being open to new experiences. Being open-minded and willing to try new things together can lead to memorable experiences. Section 27. Taking care of your health. Prioritizing your health and well-being can show her that you value yourself. Section 28. Displaying leadership qualities. Having strong leadership qualities can make you more attractive in the eyes of women. Section 29. Being spontaneous. Embracing spontaneity and surprising her can add excitement to your relationship. Section 30. Showing appreciation. Expressing your gratitude and appreciation for her presence in your life can make her feel cherished. There you have it, 30 intriguing things that make women addicted to you. Remember, being authentic, respectful, and caring are key qualities that attract women. If you enjoyed this video, hit that like button, share it with your friends, and subscribe to our channel for more valuable content. Thanks for watching, and remember to be the best version of yourself to attract the right person. Take care, and see you in the next video. Thank you for being a part of our community. We love hearing your thoughts, so leave your comments below. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell to stay updated with our latest videos. Until next time, stay awesome, and keep spreading love.